Okay, so what this data is showing is the warmer it is, the more cars you're likely to sell. I mean, if it's 30 degrees out, all right, you're probably not going to sell very many cars because it's cold. Now, this only gives us an idea of how many cars we might sell, because if you look on a 50-degree day, one day we sold 5 cars, and another day we sold 7. So you can't exactly determine how many cars you're going to sell. You just have an idea. All right, so let's take that information and figure out what our answer is going to be down here. Which statement is true? A says the temperature gives no indication of car sales. Well, I think that's false. I think the temperature does give an indication. It can't predict exactly, but it gives you an idea. So A is not going to be true. That's not going to be our answer. If the temperature is 50 degrees, we can assume we're going to sell, or we'll definitely sell 4 cars. Are we definitely going to sell 4 cars on a 50-degree day? No. I mean, here you have 2 different numbers of cars you sold on a 50-degree day. So now let's say it said you could sell approximately 6, or between 5 and, or between maybe 4 and 8, something like that. Then yeah, I mean, that might be something you could that might be a correct statement. C, the higher temperature is correlated to higher car sales. Well, I think that's true, right? And that causes the car sales to increase. So that's a maybe on this. Let's see D. The higher the temperature is correlated to higher car sales. Okay, again, that's true, but does not necessarily cause the car sales to increase. Okay, so the only difference between C and D is they both state that the higher the temperature, there's a correlation between higher car sales. But here on C it says the temperature causes car sales to increase, and here it says the temperature does not necessarily cause the car sales to increase. So I think I'm leaning toward D. I don't think the temperature, we can't guarantee it's going to cause car sales to increase. It could create a situation where you might have more people out, and therefore it's possible that it isn't likely that car sales are going to increase. But I really think that D is going to be your more accurate answer here. It doesn't necessarily cause the car sales to increase, even though the data is showing that the warmer it is. But you could have a day where if you look here, a 30-degree day compared to a 35-degree day, we still sold only 2 cars. So we can't guarantee just because it's warmer we're going to sell more cars. So that's why the answer is D.